So I'm here, 2024 Singapore Watercolour Society's Colourful Splashes. Let's take you around. So here I am at the Singapore Cultural Centre, and the exhibition is just the last day. So here I go to visit it. I like this painting a lot by Fiona. I think she did a very good job with the figure and the background. This next one has a very urban sketches feel to it, and I really like it as well. And this piece is by Harry Chin. This piece, the water buffalo, is really, really lively. Alicia Tan. This next piece is by Joseph Zbukvich, Australian-based artist, very famous, of course. And you could see the light and the way he portray the evening glow is amazing. I tagged him on Facebook and he actually bothered to say thanks. Very nice of him. And Chang Jin from Penang drew a very abstract piece. I still like it. It's abstract but very, very strong design. The next one is from Zi Chong. As you can see, it's a very, very big painting. Very, very classy. I feel that a lot of detail was put in it. I feel that it's a lot of passion into this painting. Zi Chong, that's the name. I find this piece quite interesting because it has very strong design, high contrast, paper white, dark, and also it is very strong. Lim Hui Tiong, that's the artist for this piece. Woon Lam, this piece, he's of course one of my favorite artists. Talk to him a lot about art and the business of art as well. This is one heck of a creation, I would say, although it's not a very big piece. I always like Chitek's work. He's put a lot of contrast to his work. Design, very strong design. Of course, in this case, they are big piece as well. So Tan Chitek. The next one is very bold, leaving the sky and the ground completely paper white, giving it a harsh scorch, hot kind of a feel to the sketch. I thought that was very interesting. Chiu Su Mei. Another one of Chitek's piece, as you can see, his visual signature is very, very strong. I really like it as well, this piece. This one is from Mind Nine. I hope I get the name right. Again, you can see the light just in your face. It's really, really beautifully lit up by the artist. He is, of course, a guest artist for this year. One of the many guest artists they invited. We're back to another of Woon Lam's piece. Even though they're smaller pieces, but I think, design-wise, execution quality, they are very, very high. Of course, it's Woon Lam's work. This depict sort of a slower time of Singapore, where there was still, sampan or those wooden boats, where fishermen would go out and fish. By Sia Kam Chuan, one of the former president of Singapore Watercolour Society. Marvin Chu, depicting one of the village or rural scene, of which he's particularly fond. Next is Ren Hui. Very nice. I like this piece, even though it's not a very big piece. She did a very good job with the building. Love it. This is also a small piece by Don Low. I like the contrast. The white wall sits very nicely, like focus area, if you like. Alfred Tan, again with a very similar motif of a scene from Geylang, the red light district, or maybe some would prefer the foodie place in Singapore. I think the intention is a good one, to focus on the white of the wall. Back to Chitek. I hope by now you see the visual signature, strong contrast, paper white, and lots of blurry background to contrast the front or the foreground subject matter. Chitek. Darren Lim, very mature piece of work. I really like it. lots of soft edges, beautifully executed. Well done. I love this piece. Alicia Tan again, famous hotel in Singapore, Raffles Hotel, right smack from the front. Again, very well executed. It's a very big piece of work, actually. So that kind of wrapped up my visit to the Singapore Watercolour Society 2024 exhibition. I bumped into the current president, Donald Tan, and I had a long chat with him about various things. Very interesting to exchange ideas about developing the art scene in Singapore, sponsorship, and so on and so forth. I hope you enjoyed this video. I wanted to just give you my impression. There were many more pieces of work, student art, and so on, but really didn't have time to do a longer video, and I just want you to kind of get a sense of the quality of art that we are doing in Singapore. So this is We Take out for now. Bye.